Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It is currently 5:53 in the morning. I am on my way to the gym right now. I should be getting there around 6. Before we do, I got a C-Bum energy drink, great flavored. This is the first time I'm going to be trying this, so hopefully it's good. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. But anyways, guys, let's get on with this POV drive. I'm not gonna be talking too much because the way I do my POVs is I put my GoPro in my mouth. I know it sounds a little bit weird, but that's honestly the best POV that I can get out of this GoPro. If I put it on my head, it's way too high, as you guys can see. So it's gotta be like perfect, you know what I mean? So it being in my mouth is like the perfect angle for this. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get started with this POV. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video. If you do, smash the like button down below. Also, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, guys. On the road to 10,000 subscribers. We're currently sitting at, I believe, 5.7K subscribers. So yeah, I know you guys can't see much out here because it's still pretty early in the morning, but the sun should be coming out here soon. It's almost 6, so it should be coming out. Anyways, I'm gonna put on my seatbelt and I hope you guys enjoy the video, okay? Had to take another sip of our pre-workout. Feeling a little schlumpies. Guys, ever since I changed my turn signals to the sequential LED turn signals, ever since I changed that, it's been sounding like a horse that's galloping. Does it not? It sounds sick, man. That's like a cool little feature that I found out. I mean, obviously I don't think it's, you know, on purpose, but anyways, I'm about to arrive to the gym right now. I'm gonna go hit this workout real quick. I'll pick it up after, all right? All right, guys, I'm back. I just got out of the gym. I did 20 minutes of Stairmaster. I did a complete workout. I trained back today. Sorry for the noise, guys. And then I also hit the sauna for like 5-7 minutes. I usually don't like getting into the sauna because, you know, a while back I actually got sick from being inside the sauna. It's just so many people in there. They're coughing, this and that. You don't know if they're sick. I kind of tend to stay away from the sauna. But today I had a little bit more time, so I said, you know what? I'm gonna go in there and I'm gonna hit the sauna. So luckily there was absolutely nobody inside the sauna today, even though it was a packed gym. I'm headed home right now. I'm about to catch the freeway. It is currently 8:10 in the morning. Yeah, anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, smash the like button down below. Also, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. More videos coming soon, guys. If you guys, you know, help me out with like liking and sharing it to your friends, this and that, I'm able to get my dream car. You know, that's obviously like everybody's dream, to get their dream car. My dream car is either a GT 500, a 2012 or 13. One of the two, all blacked out, murdered out, or possibly a C7 Z06, all blacked out, murdered out, or in white, because I really like the white color. So, you know, but anyways, guys, chase your dreams, keep grinding, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.